Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are talking about the personnel carrier vehicle Novator Ukraine. The vehicle has been operating on the front line today, used by military forces for security on the territory of Ukraine, including the National Guard. However, the number of Novator personnel carriers that have been deployed in combat is not explicitly stated. Novator APC. This is a 4x4 armored personnel vehicle designed to be able to perform a variety of missions including patrol, special operations, search and detention of criminals, and transport of the wounded. Even these vehicles can also be changed in various platforms such as command and staff cars, transport vehicles, fighter transport machines, and special forces combat vehicles depending on the needs of the armed forces. Known as a modern and versatile light armored vehicle, the Novator APC is designed and manufactured by local company Armor Ukraine. In addition, the vehicle has the capacity to accommodate 5 personnel in its reconnaissance configuration and can transport 8 to 10 personnel in its transport configuration. It can be seen from the design and features. Novator APC is equipped with advanced, such as radio stations, night vision devices, automatic fire suppression systems, special video recorders, and semi-automatic tire pumping systems. Therefore, the flexibility of the vehicle ensures that the Novator can carry out missions in a variety of roles on the battlefield, from deploying troops to providing direct fire support with machine guns and grenade launchers to dealing with aerial threats with advanced air defense capabilities. Recently, the vehicle has successfully undergone testing with the TAVRIA 14.5 Remote Control Modernization Weapon Station, which is mounted for a 14.5mm KPVT machine gun including a magazine carrying 200 rounds. As for the advantages of this weapon station, it gives the vehicle an additional capability boost with a fire control system that locks automatically to track enemy targets, allowing effective firing even while on the move. Equipped with an electro-optical sight system on this weapon, it can detect targets day and night at a distance exceeding 5 kilometers. The developers are also considering installing a turret electronic warfare system to suppress enemy drones. The other armament, which is equipped with an IVA combat module, mounts a 12.7mm caliber machine gun and has 5 weapon ports as well as equipment for installing powder gas ventilation systems. On the other hand, the Novator designs to emphasize durability, adaptability, by combining performance based on the Ford F-550's reliable and rugged chassis in a military-grade vehicle. The Novator's improved suspension and steering system provide increased maneuverability and off-road capability that can be beneficial in certain combat scenarios and allow it to navigate challenging terrain to operate in diverse environments. For the drive, the Novator APC is powered by a Ford V8 Super Turbo diesel engine, which produces a maximum power output of 300 horsepower and a maximum torque of 996 Nm. The engine is combined with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has a maximum speed of 140 km per hour on highways and range on rough terrain. With a fuel capacity of 160 liters, it can operate at a wide range of around 500 kilometers to 1,100 kilometers. Compared to other armored vehicles, the Novator is positioned in the light armored vehicle category as it has a gross vehicle weight GVW of 8,845 kilograms and a maximum payload capacity of 1,845 kilograms. It is smaller than medium or heavy armored vehicles, has dimensions with a length of 6.4 meters, a width of 2.35 meters, and a height of 2.38 meters. The wheelbase is 3.6 meters and the ground clearance is 300 millimeters, making it more maneuverable and suitable for off-road environments. Novator vehicles also offer a high level of protection. Multi-layer bulletproof glass with additional anti-spoil coating provides increased protection for the crew. With this external installation can help provide more space inside the vehicle from small arms fire and shrapnel. Ukrainian forces, which operate the vehicle, can withstand the impact of 7.62 mm caliber fire from SVD rifles and blasts from 2 or GD5 type hand grenades and have better mine protection or improvised explosives. Another advantage of the vehicle is that it can cross water obstacles with a depth of 0.75 meters and pass through side slopes of 30 degrees and 20 degrees respectively. In addition, this versatile mobile platform can also operate in different climatic conditions with temperatures varying between -40 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius.